Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product. 5000 plus viral code images pack, PLR, that means private label rights. Okay, so this is the review page, and there is no review access or no kind of members area, cause this is a totally given or done for you product. Okay, so you will get 5000 plus viral code images pack instantly once you have brought this product. Okay, the main purpose to making this video is to show you the bonuses which will be given to you from my side. I want to show my bonuses. Okay, so this is an image created by me, and sorry, this image is not created by me, but this whole image has been edited by me. So this is the pricing. You can see this costs $27, and they are also giving 30 days money back guarantee. If you are not convinced, if you look that this image has not getting this kind of value, you can just easily get the money back, and you can just easily just return back the product, and you can get your money back. Okay, so by clicking this button, you will be redirected to the product and also the bonuses. So let me now show you the bonuses. Okay, so these are some description about this product, and these are the upsells of this product. And the number one upsell is 5000 plus viral code images pack, and the second upsells is easy 6-figure profit too, and the third upsells 6-figure profit training discount. I want you to visit this page and go through the upsells. Okay, so these are the bonuses. The main purpose of making this video is to show you the bonuses. That's why video will be very short. Okay, so these are the bonuses, and for some bonuses I have put just images only, and for some bonuses I have put the images and also some descriptions. So let me scroll down. So as you can see, after 50 bonuses, I have put here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, and which are also stuffed with this kind of softwares, PDFs and case studies, and also plugins, and that will help you very much to earn profit online, to make video online, to just make your social media reach good, and also to handle your social media and everything, like to blog, to instant blog your post, to get ready-made blogs. As I have put here, let me show you. Okay, so as I have put here, okay, so this is also for ready-made niche blogs. So this has 100 plus done for you blogs, and also each and every tool and every software has their other features. Okay, so this will be given to you from my side totally free once you have brought the product from here, and that was the main purpose of making this video of mine. And you can see this blue button after purchasing the product, which costs only $27. You can click this blue button, which are named access affiliate bonus. You will be redirected to the bonuses, and you can get the bonus from which will be given from my side. Okay, so this was the video, and this was the review. That was the thing I want to tell. I have told you already, and you can click this kind of these buttons which are given in this page, and you will be redirected to the bonus and the product. So I am signing out for the day. So that was a bonus overview, and I am signing out. So bye bye.